Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just woke up and I have already planned that this day is going to be a productive getting my life back together kind of a day. So yeah, I haven't cleaned my room in a while, didn't go to the laundry, haven't done a lot of errands that I need to do, and everything is going to be done in this video because vlogging just makes me motivated to do stuff. So, this is my breakfast. Vada pav, which is so hot that I had to remove it from the tray I heated it in because I let it rotate for like 3 minutes. I know it's bad. I don't think it's good. That I shouldn't have let it rotate. It's still hot. I also accompanied this with this because I probably need something cold right now with this. Also, this is my coffee. Okay, this is my coffee. That's it, my coffee. And if anybody's wondering, this is leftovers from yesterday night's dinner that we had outside. Ta-da! Okay, so it's literally dark outside and I have finally now completed cleaning my entire room. It was a mess. It was a mess. Okay, so this is what I'm going to wear. I know it looks chaotic, but it's not. Everything just has a place now. And yeah, this is my mirror section. This is my wardrobe. Not so clean, so we're not going to show that. My bedside table, and yeah, clean. And now I have to do things that will need me to go outside. So for that to happen, I need to change from this to this. Now this is much better for going out. Also, the things that I actually need to do when I go out are, first off, I need to do laundry. Second off, no, the first off, I need to return my Wi-Fi box. Second off, I need to do laundry. And I'm also really hungry, so before we go, I'm gonna have something. Let me tell you one thing and one thing only. Every time you go out to eat, get yourself some food like snacks. In the morning I had a vada pav, and now I'm having a samosa. Both from yesterday's dinner, by the way. And I know, and I know they are not the best things to be eating as breakfast and lunch. But when I'm doing stuff like cleaning my room and shit, I don't care. And now I need to do the laundry, so guess what? Don't care. So let's eat something real quick and then just roll out and go return my Wi-Fi because I really need to do that. I haven't done that from the past 2 months, and they will directly fine me $500 if I don't do it today. It's not even about today. Maybe the next bill will be $500 and I'll have to call them and tell them that I returned it. I'm just too late. So I need to do it today, no matter what. Okay, this is too low. Okay, anyways, I just got back from doing my laundry and I forgot to return my Wi-Fi, by the way. Just a side note. Also, when I just came back, I just saw this. I ordered quite a few things, like 3 4 packages that are supposed to come, so I don't know what's inside this one, so let's see. So this is my 1 gallon water bottle. This literally can hold a gallon of water, and it also has like timings in it, and also has like motivational things in it. I really love. Anyways, now I'm going to go get some dinner because I haven't had anything, just those samosas and stuff you saw me eat. And I'm really hungry and I haven't cooked anything because I was busy in cleaning my house. And I'm saying it like this because I know these are excuses and I could have cooked and stuff like that. But I want to go out and eat. And we're trying a new restaurant. So that is great. Let's do that. So we just came back from the restaurant and it was a hit. It's so rare. Trust me when I say that Indian restaurants in Montreal are a hit or miss. And if you want a recommendation, let me know. I am there for it. Leave that aside. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below whatever you want to see next. Because I will see you next time.